You wanna get a little nosedive?
Did you almost nosedive?
No, I did that on purpose.
Hey, stop filming me, boy.
What's that, brother? What's that?
Oh. Max speed.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Hey. Pull over, June. What you doing? All right, so this is the spot that created the logo. It was me doing a rock slide like that, and that's where the logo came from. Yeah. And we'll have a picture of the logo in case you didn't see it in the intro.
Me?
I don't know, might not have some pressure. Oh.
You don't have any hair, right?
Oh my God, bro, I'm so much in pushback right now.
Dude, I'm gonna put it through your legs.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. That's crazy. All right, make this its own video when you go through this. Okay?
We might have to turn around, my tire's leaking. I'm running low. I'm out.
How do we get that low?
I feel it already. It's like a little lubber. Well, this is the adventure of how my tire became low. Dude, it's shaking pretty bad. I'm good.
Dude, that's real.
Move over.
We can turn it into a Pint video. We can turn it into a Pint video. Or no, you can ride my GT, maybe. You wanna ride my GT?
My tire's gone. All right, we out here in the road. Tire ran out of air, so we gotta figure this out.
We're trying to hitchhike.
Yeah, we're stranded.
We're hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking in the middle of the road right here.
Hit that thumbs up.
I'm walking back to the house.
I got my pint right here.
I think he's trying to bring me another GT or something, another pint, but I think we're stuck right now.
Well, this is our profit.
I'm walking back.
So,
yeah, so we're almost home. We're like basically right here.
yeah.
So, I mean, we just had a couple cars in the middle of the road have to pass us. We almost got hit once, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
So,
guy, the other Jeep almost, like,
yeah, as you can see, we're just stuck out here in the road, right here. All right, we back on the Pint. My
Bro,
tire
chickens
broke.
up in here.
It's like gone, so
Bro, the
it's like
chicken
completely
is
rimmed
crazy.
out. Like there's no more tire. So hold on. I want to see how fast I can go. Let's see. Oh, I'm max speed. Yeah, but once you get a better bore, you can't go back.
I'm filming the filmer.
Max speed. Hey, I'm filming you. Hey.
I'm watching the washers.
Oh yeah, let's get some carving.
Oh yeah. Here.
Oh yeah. Should we get it to 25?
Yeah, hit it to 25. Max speed on a Pint.
Oh, what's the van? Get over.
Bro, I feel so slow. This is like unfair. It's time to grow old together. This is boring. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. You wanna get a little nosedive? Woo-hoo-hoo!
Did you almost nosedive?
No, I did that on purpose.
Hey, stop filming me, boy.
What
Oh,
the
shoot.
heck was that?
Oh, they got the dogs out after us.
You know, it'd be really funny
What?
if they started a pint race.
Oh, shoot.
Like a race around?
Yeah, like no pint X, just pint.
Pint. Pint.
Pint race for the rail.
Yeah, no pint X though.
Oh, look, 10 miles an hour.
No pint X.
Billy!
5 minutes in, we're like, yeah! They crossed the finish line.
10 minutes.
Enduro 2-hour race. They made it a quarter of a mile. Let it go, baby.
Max speed.
I'm not hitting off.
Oh my God, almost died. Oh my God, almost died.
Never doing that again.
Jump this, get up this.
I'm never doing that again. Yeah, I'm here to pick you up.
Oh. Great job.
Should we trick this? Hold my camera?
Is it filming?
Yeah, I think
I'm
so.
gonna get you.
I
I'm
think-
filming both.
Whew. You wanna hold my phone too?
Oh my gosh. Put him up on.
Ah.
All right, good.
Alright, let's do. There we go. No shove it. No shove it. No activation.
Oh my!
What is that?
Oh my!
Like, you're hitting the ground.
Look, he did all kind of stuff, bro. That dude just killed it on the plane. That's it. He's a.
I can barely do that.
Dude, that should be on the plane like highlight reel.
Oh shoot.
But stop, bro.
Oh, okay.
Oh no! Yeah, well, we can fix that, bro. Like that would be a
Reverse. Oh shoot. Back to it.
How did I even fall off my board?
Dude, you'd be killing it.
Toe tap.
Is it just losing activation?
I have nowhere to jump. No room.
You jump in the center.
Dude, can you move up, move up?
There we go. I need a God. Drone shot, baby.
Yeah.
Bro, you don't want to hit a power line. That's why I don't do it often.
I did that on purpose. I saw it.
Like the next power line's there, so I guess you could.
Yeah.
Drone shot.
Let's get that globe shot, you know? The globe. The little
You're
earth.
gonna hit the tree.
The earth. You know what I'm talking about?
No, you're gonna hit the tree.
Like we're riding on the earth. Oh yeah, that's a good song.
What is it?
Mm.
What is it?
I had some help.
I had some help. Ain't act like you can help me pull that bottle off the shelf. Hit the shot. Hit
You
the shot.
got a lot of nerve, don't
don't
you,
you?
baby? I only. Hey guys, thanks to all of our members who paid to become part of the Barilla Snaps family and join us up. Thank you for all the support. Members, get ready for a members only
House tour.
room tour,
House tour.
Real studio.
studio tour. For the rest of y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video, so Thank you all to everybody. Make sure you check out the merch right here. We got shirts, hats, hoodies, you know it. Wristbands right here. We got them all. So make sure y'all go check that out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Hey, snappers, come on in.
Never coming.
Premiere.
They don't even see it coming. You ready? They don't see it coming. Hat throw.
Hat throw.
They didn't see that coming.